scramble from the bee of the bird of the moth. Catbug is a cat, but he's got bugness in his veins. Man house lives within himself with thoughtful human brains. Either one is equal to the challenge of the prequel, called the bee of the bird of the moth. Now the moth defeats the mouse and man. It's messing with the plan. It can't be believed. 'Cause it's just a hummingbird moth who's acting like a bird that thinks it's a bee. Got a brand new shipment of electrical equipment. It's addressed to the bottom of the sea. Send a tangerine-colored nuclear submarine with a sticker that says STB. Windshield wiper, washer fluid spraying in the air. Headlights under hats lie in the headlights everywhere. So the atomic waves to the underwater caves of the bee of the bird of the moth. Now the moth defeats the mouse and man. It's messing with the plan. It can't be believed. 'Cause it's just a hummingbird moth who's acting like a bird that thinks it's a bee. Is it us or it that's messed up? Everyone's deforming in the presence of the swarming of the bee of the bird of the moth. Protozoa snakes and horses have enlisted in the forces of the bee of the bird of the moth. All are irresistibly attracted by the suction of a hypnotizing tractor beam presenting all production of the Sleep Bug Reason Corporation in association with the bee of the bird of the moth.
You know, next time we do that song, we should figure out how to make the retard at the end slow down so much that it never actually ends.
That's the original version.
Yeah.
The demo is still going, actually. The original version. From when it was recorded.
Has Dan Miller just like split? I'm very used to sort of having like a Dan Miller backstop.
Right.
He's gone.